Hello, and welcome to this new video where we will explore working with images in Python using the Pillow and OpenCV libraries. First, let's start with Pillow, a powerful library for image manipulation and enhancement. To get started, we need to install Pillow. You can do this using pip by typing the following command in your terminal or command prompt. Once installed, let's open an image and display it. Here is the code to do so. Next, let's resize the image and save it to a new file. We will use the resize method and provide the desired dimensions. Now, we will move on to OpenCV, a powerful library for computer vision and image processing. First, we need to install OpenCV. You can do this using pip by typing the following command in your terminal or command prompt. Once installed, let's read and display an image using OpenCV. Here is the code. Now, let's convert the image to grayscale and save it to a new file. We will use the CVT color method with the color BG or a grey flag. That's it. You have now learned how to work with images in Python using both the Pillow and OpenCV libraries. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.